Hey everyone, it's Derrick here with another video, and today we're putting up another felt art painting, if you will. And this is in our gym, and if you might be able to tell, it's pretty echoey in here. So we're going to try to get rid of some of that with these felt pads. So hopefully these will help out with the sound. There's going to go, or we're going to put one here and one over there. So we're hoping that this will make this a little bit better. And it also looks nice too, as you can see here. So that's gonna go up there, and then there's these, I'm gonna have to cut out for the light switches here, as well as down there are plugs down there. So I'm gonna have to make sure that I cut these with a box cutter or some scissors and make sure that they fit with those cutouts. We'll see how this goes. There's only one plug over on that side, so again, I'll do a sound test right now, and we'll do a sound test when I put one wall up, and then I'll put a sound test when we put that second wall up too. So just to give you an idea around the room here, so there's nothing really on any of these walls here. There's really just those are wood blinds too, so those don't even help either. So these will be the only thing that deadens the sound. So we're hoping these NRC 35 ratings will help with the sound. And hopefully just being on those two walls, it'll help reduce this ridiculous echo, as you can probably hear right now. Okay, so we have finished one with the exception of the lights here. So how's it sound now? Still a little echoey, I think, and maybe a little bit better, not sure, but we'll finish this up and then we'll put the other one up too. Okay, so we just finished, and now we're going to do the sound check after putting in these two lovely NRC 35 paintings, pieces of art, pieces of felt. So here's the clap test. Just from hearing it, I still hear an echo, but again, it's probably a lot better than it was before. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about the sound, and yeah, thank you for watching. we'll see you in the next one.